Hello, future self. We just watched Parasite because it won all the Oscars and I hadn't seen it. It was real intense. So suspense. But more importantly, to our present endeavor, or whatever Amnesia Diaries is. Is it an endeavor? Nobody knows. Also, you missing out on this real cute pooches. We got pooches. Will you rub up on the smooches to have documentary evidence of cuteness? Yes. So good. Today, I wrote a letter to my fear baby. The fear baby that you may have witnessed in yesterday's all black video in the dark. Let's see. Do you want to look at it? Text? No, that never works. Dear fear baby. You came kicking, a twisted lump of angry fists and distrustful wailing. You wanted to blame the world, to hook your fear to work or other people, anything to make it not you, not everything you're made of. Dense and twisted tighter and always dead center, caught between belly button and ribcage. You know nothing good will come of tomorrow. You are certain all this fear must be true, must be reasonable, must be for tomorrow, not yesterday. But let me rock you and stroke your head. Let me drum for you. A steady pounding on my ribcage, the only sound you can hear over your own screams. We are here, fear baby, not going anywhere but with you. Let me hold your head while you time travel. Let me hold your head while you time travel. And try and warn me about the worst tomorrow. It was a long time ago. Try and warn me... Where am I? Try and warn me a new worst tomorrow is coming. Scream that life is a sand castle and tomorrow is high tide. We will still hold you. Rock you warm and smear your lips with honey. Your fear is real. Your fear is true. I will hear it as your need to be cared for. You hold it separate to protect me, to protect us from the drowning depths of it. So let me hold you, kiss your fingertips, and hear your tears. We can shoulder the storm together. This is a family. You are not alone. Hi, future self. Where are we? Babe Lab for Crit, which I'll probably record at some point. But look what Mr. Steven has on his telephones. The battery is working. Okay, wait. Tell me what it is again.
What do you mean?
This is how much we used, right?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the usage.
You turned it off.
And this is solar. You can see the sun lump. This is the sun lump. This is the battery. How much battery we used. And this is how much the battery is charging.
Yeah, that's negative is charging, positive is
Oh, charging. Usage. And this is how much power from the grid we're using. Grid. Mostly we're just off grid in the middle of the day.
compare it to the sun lump.
Sun lump. You're addicted to it?
Have it.
Gotta have that chili crisp.
Chili crisp?
Chili crisp.
I guess this is the same word, huh?
Sir.
Sir?
Oh, it's like a first contact story?
Yeah, it's funny, but the funny thing about it is it's like they detected the spaceship, and the spaceship is just like passing by. They have no interest in Earth, and they like tried to contact them, and they just didn't respond.
Fuck you, bruh.
So now
We don't want to be your friends.
Now they're trying to intercept and make first contact.
Because moving a human body takes fucking carbon, bitches. That's why he doesn't come in person. Get used to it. Don't be so culturally insensitive. Don't show fear, so we're gonna play this very dramatic music! Sir! He's been outlawed. Sir. I'm gonna have to take you to burp jail. Sir!
Don't be racist. You're supposed to do that when you're eating Asian food.
Oh, is that true?
Yes, you know that.
I thought you were supposed to slurp.
And burp.
Good old slurp and burp. I think you know kissing. You know. Whoosh. Hey, future self. I just finished my diversity and inclusion training, and it was stressful, to say the least. But, you know, good to talk about this stuff. Just a lot of the same arguments of, like, dudes being like, I don't have to see color or sexuality or gender. It could just be invisible to me, which is like, irritating. So I'm giving myself a reward. The reward of arts. I got a little upset talking about LGBTQ things and several people being very dismissive and saying they didn't want to talk about sex at work. So, arts instead. Hi, future self. Apparently my phone is just bricked now. Yesterday was surprisingly hard. I did not expect to be the only vocally out queer person and vocally out trans person in a room about diversity and inclusion, and the only vocally or visibly disabled person. And I realized I got really mad at a few people, and like how I got triggered. There's not really another way to put it. Like, I just got really pissed off about the level of some people's level of disregard for other people's health and safety and family and peace of mind. Obviously, I'm always kind of a lightning rod in tech spaces because of the way I look and because I'm very vocal. But dang. Yeah, I wish there had been some like aftercare, I guess. I felt like I did a lot of the work that happened. I mean, I'm sure lots of other people spoke up and communicated about, you know, the things that they were facing, and I tried to ask a lot of questions, but yeah, I definitely felt singled out, maybe? Well, yeah, singled out. I've been having to like defend myself and the communities that I belong to. Yeah, so
Hello, future self. We are grocery shopping and it is loud because of humans and buses. It's nice. We're trying out this new place called Worry Market, a Korean grocery store that we have not been to before. And then we're going to eat a snack. I have feels, but I cannot tell them to you right now, so no feels. We're watching Godzilla. Why are you making that face?
I don't know. Chef you that phone.
I have a phone
And chef you
that like
video.
stays on if you unplug it.
Such a high bar.
Yeah. It's great. It's great to be able to unplug it from the wall.
Have it function and stuff.
Yeah, this one right here.
I love it when stuff functions.
This one. Chefed it. So welcome to your new face or eyeball, I guess. Welcome to your new eyeball, future self. Yeah. It's good.
If the phone turns out great, totally take the credit. If the network switching is terrible and you can't get signal, then that was totally your idea.
Good to know. Hi, future self. We are walking home from a snack attack. Chocolate snacks.
Sandwich and chocolates.
And we wanted to talk to you about a thing. So earlier today I was editing video from December, probably 26th, I don't know, 20, what was last year, 19?
2019.
And there is rare footage of us getting in a big fight. Because I was recording for doing the, what is it called? Oh, the capture.
Prosthetic memory. Capture for the prosthetic memory
And
project.
we just like happened to get in a fight while the camera was recording, so I had all this footage of it. So I saw it and I asked Steve, is this okay?
Yeah.
And he said,
no. I mean, no, I don't. It's not just me being, it is me being an asshole, but it's also a mental health issue for me that I'm trying to deal with, so I'm not really comfortable with that being publicly shared.
so we were talking about it and you said that you thought it was, I said, okay, I just want to include it, it's fine, I don't need to remember you like that, and you said that that wasn't fair to me.
Wasn't fair. Oh, well, yeah, just because on the other hand, it seems unfair that since this is your, it's a prosthetic memory, that I have the ability to sort of like censor out. Where's the dog?
Kelly, come on, let's go! This one right here is a slow poke.
What are you eating?
Grass. All that delicious grass.
That I can sort of like censor out things that reflect poorly on me. Presenting me is in only, the best of terms for posterity. I'm just not okay sharing it with the public. That's all. That's a personal thing.
So we were just talking about sort of that part, the like semi or very, depending on what situation you're in, public nature of this project. So it's also very rare to get footage like that. You're not gonna, neither of us like pick up a camera when we're fighting, obviously.
Yeah.
So like go back to the raw footage from that day and watch it. But we wanted to like leave a memory here to like indicate to you that
That's there.
it's there and you can watch it, and we've both seen it now and it's a little rough, but it's also like it's real and it's fine. We're still doing whatever this thing is.
What is it?
This. So yeah, Okay, bye future self. Also, there's a pooches. Where's that doggo?
Also, this
But-
new phone is amazing.
Oh yeah, this new phone is so good. Okay, bye.